Hello everyone, welcome to my new video series explaining each and every terms in photo editing like exposure, contrast, saturation, curves, etc. So whatever you are using a PC or a mobile for photo editing, the basic concept is just the same. You just have to understand it properly and you can edit your photos to next level. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first one, exposure. Exposure is something that we can adjust while we capture photographs on our camera or mobile or whatever. Basically it's the amount of light entering through our camera sensor, and it determines how dark or light our photos will be. So maintaining the right exposure while photography is an important thing. If you cannot maintain it right, you can also adjust it in the post-production. So increasing or decreasing the amount of exposure will affect the photo uniformly. Second one, contrast. Contrast has an important role in photo editing because it decides the entire mood of our image, and it affects our image in lot many ways. The word contrast means difference. Here it is the difference between the tones or the colors of our image. Let me make it more clear with an example. Here we have two same black and white images. Now I am going to adjust the contrast of the second image and let's see what changes will happen. Before that, I recommend you to notice the portions of the image where the lights and the shadows fall. Here the light is coming from the left side of the image. So most of the highlights are in the left side of the image and most of the shadows are in the right side of the image. Now I am increasing the contrast of the second image, and we can see that the light falling portions, that is the highlights of the image, became brighter and the shadows became even darker. So now the difference between the light tones and the dark tones has increased, and hence the depth of the image has increased. Now just take a close look at the faces. As we compare the two images, we can see that the blemishes and all marks in the second image is more visible than the first image. So we can say that the texture is also increased by adding contrast to the image. And if we decrease the contrast, everything will happen in the opposite. The highlights of the image will become even darker and the shadows will become even brighter, and the texture and the depth of the image will be decreased, and hence the image will get a flat, dull mood. Now let me show you an example with a colored image. So when I increase the contrast, the highlights became even brighter, the shadows became even darker, the texture and the depth has increased, as I said. And also when we increase the contrast of a colored image, the saturation also increases and it gives a pop effect to the image. As there is no color in the black and white image, the saturation is 0. And that's it for this episode, and this is my first voice reveal tutorial video. So if there is any mistakes or if you have any suggestions, please make use of the comment box and feel free to subscribe. See you in the next video.